You go to pull away from a stoplight and your transmission suddenly clunks, feeling like it is stuck in second or third gear, leaving you with almost zero takeoff power. When your check engine light pops on and you find a code P0873, your vehicle is warning you about a high voltage condition in the transmission fluid pressure sensor C circuit. This is a classic headache for many Honda and Acura owners, but it shows up on plenty of other makes too. Think of your transmission fluid pressure sensor as a digital scout that reports back to the transmission control module, or TCM, about exactly how much hydraulic pressure is moving through the valve body. The computer uses this information to time its shifts perfectly and adjust the feel of each gear change. When the signal for circuit C spikes too high, the computer realizes it is getting garbage data and slams the transmission into limp mode to protect the internal clutches and bands from being fried. This is why your car feels like it is towing a heavy boat when you try to start from a dead stop. While this sounds like a mechanical nightmare, it is very often just a simple electrical failure. These sensors are frequently screwed into the outside of the transmission case where they are constantly pelted by rain, road salt, and dirt. This leads to the electrical connectors becoming brittle and corroded over time. Your first step should be to get under there and unplug the connector for sensor C. Look for that telltale green crust on the pins or moisture trapped inside the plastic shell. Spray it out with some high-quality electrical contact cleaner and apply a bit of dielectric grease before clicking it back into place. If the connector is clean but the code persists, you need to pull out your digital voltmeter. Turn the key on and check for that 5-volt or 12-volt power supply. If the power and ground are solid, but the sensor is outputting a constant high voltage regardless of what the transmission is doing, the internal diaphragm has likely failed. Swapping out a single pressure switch is an easy driveway fix that can save you from a multi-thousand-dollar transmission rebuild bill if you catch it early enough.